Welcome to Lesson 1, Equivalent Fractions. Let's first talk about what a fraction is. A fraction is a number that shows a part of a whole or a set. In other words, it shows a number that is less than 1. So here we have a pizza that has 3 pieces, but you could tell that when the pizza was whole, before anybody ate any of it, there were 4 pieces that made it up. So the top number is called the numerator, and it tells you how many pieces you actually have. So you could see that there are 3 pieces. And the bottom number is called the denominator. It tells you how many pieces made up one whole. So here in this example, 4 pieces made up one whole pizza. So in this example, we see 1/2 of a pizza. The number 1 tells us how many pieces we actually have. You can see that there is 1 piece. And the number 2 tells us that the whole pizza was originally had 2 pieces in it. So we have 1 out of 2, or 1/2. Let's look at this fraction. This fraction, you could say 2/4, but usually we say 2/4. If it's out of 4, we say quarters. You could see that there are 2 pieces left, and the whole pizza was out of 4 pieces. So we have 2/4. Now let's compare these 2 pizzas. 1/2 left over here and 2/4 left over here. You probably realize that both pizzas have the exact same amount left. Even though they're cut up into different pieces, different sizes of pieces and different amounts of pieces, here we have 1/2 of a pizza left, and over here we have 1/2 of a pizza left as well. Let's look at one more example here. This pizza was originally cut into 8 equal pieces, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them left. But being the smart people you are, you realize that, hey, 4/8 is the same as 2/4, which is the same as 1/2. All 3 of these pizzas show the exact same amount, even though in each one there are a different number of pieces. So because all 3 of these fractions show the exact same amount, they are called equivalent fractions. You could see that the word equivalent starts with the same letters as the word equal. These fractions are equal, they show the same amount. 1/2, 2/4, and 4/8 all show the same amount. If I ate 1/2 of a pizza and you ate 4/8 of a pizza, we would have eaten the exact same amount of pizza. Let's look at one more example. Here we have pizzas that are divided into, on the left side, 3 equal pieces, and on the right side, 6 equal pieces. The light blue pieces are the ones that we have left, and the dark blue are the ones that are gone. So here we have 2 out of 3 left, so we have 2/3. Here we have 4 out of 6 pieces left, so we have 4/6. And you can tell that both of these pizzas show the exact same amount. So 2/3 and 4/6 are both equivalent fractions. In this lesson, you learned firstly what a fraction is. A fraction shows you a number that is less than 1. In this picture, we are obviously looking at less than 1 whole pizza. The top number, the numerator, tells you how many pieces we actually have. So we have 2 pieces in this pizza. And the bottom number, the denominator, tells us how many pieces the entire pizza is made of. So here we are looking at 2/4 of a pizza. On the left-hand side here, we have 1/2 of a pizza, 1 out of 2 pieces. And on the right side here, we have 4/8 of a pizza, which means we have 4 pieces out of a whole pizza of 8 pieces. These fractions we call equivalent fractions because they all show the exact same amount. If you had the choice of eating 1/2 or 2/4 or 4/8 of a pizza, you probably wouldn't care which one you got because they all show the exact same amount. Yes, they're cut up into different size pieces and different amounts of pieces, but they still show the exact same amount. So have fun working with equivalent fractions. Watch the video again and ask your teacher if you need any help.